What's going on, family, this morning? Wanted to come to you with a small update. So I was listening to President Donald Trump talk about skills over degrees. Let's say that again. Skills over degrees. They value skilled workers who can make shit happen over people who just sit in the office typing, their degrees to be in there, but they ain't really a skilled worker to build the infrastructure of America. The degrees can be replaced, but skills, plumbers, carpenters, welders, architects, designers, construction workers, skills at doing something skilled is an asset. I just think that's something to think about coming out the White House, and how they are now valuing the skilled workers, those who can make things happen, those who actually keep the economy rolling. Now, people with degrees keep things rolling too, don't get me wrong. So I'm not knocking anybody with a degree. I'm just saying that if you can go out and build a building, you're more important than someone who can just only sit in the office, take phone calls or answer questions, or psychiatrist. That's cool. We're not knocking that. We need all of those. But right now, it's skill over paper. Think about that. Skill over degree. I know someone personally who didn't graduate college, who wrote down that they had a GED and that they went to college but didn't graduate high school. They making good money to this day, and them folks still thought they had a GED and a high school diploma. They ain't even have it. They've been lying all these years. But they had the skills and the knowledge. And the way they figured, hey, I got the skills and the knowledge, I might as well say I got the paper. Most people don't ask for the paperwork. They just want to know if you got it. So that's just something to think about, man. 2020. This is August. It's about to hit a new break. We got to grind hard. Skills. We got to grind hard. Now it's the time to start your independent business. It's time to grind hard. Your service. The services you provide is going to be where it's at. Are you skilled? Are you confident? If so, you don't know how this opportunity is going to be for us, for you, So be patient. Keep grinding, though. Though nothing come to those who sit around. You're going to have to knock on some doors. You're going to have to make some things happen. But we can make it happen because they are secretly calling on us. Now they're doing it out loud, saying we need skills over paper. Keep that in mind. HogOn.